welcome to Mixing It Up Together. I'm Dawn. Hope y'all are having a good day. Today I am making Carmel Krispie Puffs and s'mores puffs. So I have the biggest marshmallows I could find, which are the campfire ones. And I'll tell you a little bit about this. When I was little, my mom made these, and they're huge, see? And I just loved these as a kid, and I have never made them, and I'm excited to, when you're little and you try something that you love and you haven't had it as an adult yet or for a long time, and it just brings you back to that feeling that you had when you were eating it when you were a kid. So I'm going to do 6 of the Carmel Krispies and 6 of the s'mores. Now, I never had the s'mores when I was little. I was sitting here thinking when I was deciding to make these, what I could do different with some other marshmallows. And of course, what else goes better than s'mores? So I decided to go ahead and I'm going to try that today. So I have some Werther's soft caramels. And I'm going to do about maybe 20 of them. I don't know. And then I'm going to put some cream in them and microwave them. And then get it nice and smooth, dippable for my marshmallows. So the other day was my first Table Talk Tuesday. I haven't had any comments yet or suggestions. So I hope you guys can comment and let me know what you want to talk about. I'm really working hard on my Table Talk Tuesday, trying to figure out what I can talk about and bring to the table. These are really big marshmallows. I'm not sure I've seen such big ones. I know we didn't have this size when I was a kid. I can't wait to try them again. I'm so excited because it was probably 8 when I had them last. One more. Like I said, these are big. Okay. So I'm going to put a splash of cream in them, and then I'm going to microwave them for 30 seconds, and then 15-second intervals after that until it's done. And I'm not sure how much cream to add. I don't know. And if it's too much cream, I'll just add more caramels. So I'm going to get this melted, put them in the microwave and melt it down. Okay. It's all melted. See? Still hot. Okay. I have my coffee going. Okay, I'm going to put on my hair's all weird. I'm going to put my handy dandy pink gloves on because I don't want stickiness all over my hands. Lovely. Okay. Are you ready? I'm going to dip this in. I hope it's not too hot. Wow, it feels warm. I hope they don't melt them. We'll find out. Okay, let's dip. It is hot. I think it's going to melt it. Should have waited. Ooh, that's hot on my hands. And put it in the Rice Krispies. Oh, I can't believe I'm making these. Yeah, that caramel was a little too hot still. That's a lot of Krispies. I just don't want it to all fall off because that caramel is really hot still. I'm going to let it cool for a little bit longer because it's like all dripping off. So I'll come back once it's cooled off. I think it's cooled off enough now. So, what the heck? There we go. My coffee. So I'm going to go ahead and try it again. Back to my coffee cup. Okay, here we go. Much cooler. Kind of. Good grief. Okay. Still a little bit hot, but it should be good. This is so fun. And you know what? Your kids would love making this with you. They really would. They would have a ball doing this. And you know what? Make sure, well, I guess I would make sure your caramel's cool as much as you can, but still warm enough so you could still dip it okay. Oh no, there we go. So I'm going to finish these ones and then we'll do the s'mores one. Now we'll do the s'mores one. So I have some chocolate chips, and I always use milk chocolate. I don't like, I like other ones, but these are kind of my favorite. This is what I put in my chocolate chip cookies. So I'm going to put these in the microwave also. I don't know how much I need. I'm going to do the same thing. Put them on 30 seconds and then check them every 15 seconds after that. Be right back. I'm just finishing up with these last few graham crackers. I know I should have just bought them already smashed or whatever you want to call it. And my chocolate, I don't know. We'll see if it turned out. I've never really melted chocolate. So I'm not, I did end up adding cream to it. So I'm not sure if it's, I don't know. We'll see. But I'm going to finish this and then we'll get dipping our marshmallows. Okay. So my chocolate is a little runny. I don't know. I added cream to it, but I put it in the refrigerator. Oh my gosh. For a couple minutes, just so it would cool quicker. If I can get these on. Okay. So we'll try this. I got the chocolate. As you can see, it's a little runny, but it should work. And then my graham crackers. Oh, this is going to work good, I think, unless it slides off because it's too thin. Oh, these look good. I'm sure they're going to taste good. Anything with chocolate and marshmallow and graham cracker should taste good. Yum. I can't wait to try these. You know what else these would be? Like I said, good to make with your kids, your grandkids. I know my grandsons would love to make this. Their hands would be all over this. And I wouldn't care one bit. It would be fun. Okay. I'm done. These are how they look. Oh, yum. So I'm going to let them settle a little bit and then I'll try one. And I'm going to start dinner now. I'm making shredded barbecue chicken sandwiches and french fries. I'm going to make the chicken, I think, in the air fryer. It'll be quicker that way. So I don't know if I'll get both these videos posted, but I hope you check them out. And I will try these in a little bit. See you in a few.
Hey, I am back to try the marshmallows. I cut them in half because that would be a lot to eat. So this one is the caramel with the Rice Krispies and the marshmallow. And this one is the s'mores, which is in chocolate and graham crackers. So this is the one I had when I was little. I don't know if anybody else does this, but I made this up when I was trying to think what else I could do with the marshmallow. But I'm gonna eat this one now because I wanna see what it's like. It's been many, many, many years. It's so good. It's so weird how something can just take you back to when you were a kid. Especially the taste of food. I used to love these. They're so good. Make them with your kids, your grandkids. It's a little sentimental, but it's very good. It makes me feel happy. Now, let's try the s'mores. This I've never had. First time making it. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Yum, 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 yum. That's so yummy. So good. Wow. They're both perfect to me. They're both really good. I like the caramel one just because I have history with it, if you want to say that, whatever. But they're both great. Let me know if you try these. I'm really curious what everybody thinks. They're such a fun thing to make. And thank you so much for joining me today. I'll be posting my shredded barbecue chicken sandwich also probably tomorrow. But that turned out great too. You all have a good night. See you soon. Bye.